Hi tutors, here's a tutorial for Heyhi, a quick and easy tool to conduct your online lessons. I'll bring you through a step-by-step process on how to set up, as well as how it will look on both the tutor and the student's screens. Step 1, you can log on to Heyhi.sg and sign up for a free account. After you've logged in, go ahead and create a meeting. You can select different options here, but in this tutorial I'm just going to show you the classroom mode. This is suitable for tutors conducting a one-to-one lesson or up to 8 participants in a group class. So all participants will have access to the whiteboard as well as the video call. But before you start, make sure that all participants are in a quiet room and are using headphones to minimize disturbance and audio interference. So in the next screen, you'll find your meeting URL, ID, and access code. Send all 3 to your students for them to join in the call. Enter your name and your access code and click on Join Meeting. So let me show you a side-by-side comparison on what should appear on your screen, as well as what the student sees. It's mandatory to test out your microphone and camera before the session, just to make sure that everything's working. Instruct your student to go into the meeting URL that you've sent them, key in their name and the access code to join. So this is how the interface looks like when both parties have joined the call. You can also choose to lock your student's screen if you want to get set up first. This doesn't give them the permission to interact or move the whiteboard around. So to conduct your lesson, you can choose to either use the pencil tool for freehand drawing if you have a tablet, or simply use text. You can insert images and files which contain your teaching material, and likewise your student can insert the assignments that they've already done to the whiteboard. Whiteboards can be cleaned entirely, or you can choose to open another tab here on the top left-hand corner. You can also toggle through the tabs. Both parties can take screenshots of the current screen to store what you've done so far. It'll be useful for your student to also sign up for a Heyhi account to remove this pink window on the top right-hand corner that might block their view of what you're sharing. And that's it. Let us know if you run into any difficulties or need additional help. We're just an email or a phone call away. Check out our blog for tutorials on specific apps you can use to conduct your lessons. It's blog.learnable.asia. Need someone to talk to? Join in the conversation with fellow tutors on our COVID-19 Facebook support group. Stay safe!